Ever dreamed of running a virtual assistant agency that operates 24/7, delivering exceptional service to clients worldwide? What if I told you that with AI tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Krisp AI, you can make that dream a reality? Stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to start your own AI-powered virtual assistant agency. Today, we're exploring how to leverage AI to build a virtual assistant agency that offers top-notch services to clients around the globe. With the right AI tools, you can automate tasks, enhance communication, and scale your business efficiently. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. This AI language model can handle a variety of content creation tasks, including drafting emails, writing social media posts, and generating reports. By integrating ChatGPT into your services, you can offer clients high-quality content quickly and efficiently, freeing up time for more strategic tasks. Next, consider using Zapier. Zapier connects over 2,000 apps, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks without coding. For instance, you can set up Zaps to automatically save email attachments to cloud storage, add new contacts to your CRM, or post content to social media. This automation streamlines your operations and ensures consistency across your services. The effective communication is key in a virtual assistant agency. Krisp AI enhances call quality by removing background noise, ensuring clear and professional conversations with clients. Whether it's a Zoom meeting or a client call, Krisp AI ensures your communication is crisp and distraction-free. With these AI tools, you can offer a range of services, including email management scheduling and calendar management, social media management, customer support, and data entry and analysis. By combining these services, you can cater to a wide array of client needs. Looking for more AI tools to enhance your virtual assistant agency? Check out toolq.com. It's the ultimate AI tool marketplace, offering a comprehensive, categorized list of AI tools across various industries. Whether you're into social media, content creation, or marketing, ToolQ has got you covered. Visit toolq.com to discover the best AI tools tailored for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights on leveraging AI for your business success. Drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool, and I'll see you in the next video.